Today we're going to test IGBT. So the IGBT, the symbol is right here, and this is the IGBT. So the first pin is gate, and then the second pin is collector, the third pin is emitter, and this is the symbol. So gate, first pin is gate, second pin is collector, the third pin is emitter. So normally there is two types of IGBT. The IGBT that's built-in diode and IGBT not built-in diode. But this method of testing IGBT, you can apply both built-in diode or not built-in diode. This the same way you can use. You can apply this method. So what you need to have is, I'm using here 12 volt power supply to test in this IGBT. You can just use between 5 to 12 volt. Between that voltage you will apply. So you will need to have any, I'm going to have a LED here. You can just use any LED or anything 12 volt bar or the motor, small motor. They will indicate you that your IGBT is work or no work. So it's a very simple way. I'm going to use LED, and I'm using here 1K resistor to protect LED burn from 12 volt power supply. So the first thing, the collector to LED, connect. You can see right, and emitter to ground, emitter to the ground here. So the positive supply connected to resistor. So once you already supply here, so the 12 volt power supply come through to resistor, through to LED, and connect to collector of IGBT, and the ground comes to emitter pin of IGBT. So once you already supply like this, so to turn on the IGBT, you need to trigger with the positive. So it's IGBT just need a small voltage to trigger to turn on the IGBT. You need to touch a positive supply here and trigger to the gate. So your LED is turned on. Your collector is already turned on. So to turn off this IGBT, you need to trigger with the negative, the ground, to the gate. Turn off. So turn on, turn off. So if your IGBT is not work, or if your IGBT is already damaged, the moment you supply like this way, maybe your LED is direct will turn on because of your IGBT is already spoiled, so the gate is always open. Or maybe you already open and the gate cannot be triggered, so that means your IGBT is out of the order, you can't use anymore. So a good condition of IGBT, no matter it's a built-in diode or not built-in diode, you can use this way to testing. So trigger positive, trigger on, trigger off. So this is how we test without multimeter, and you just need to have between 5 to 12 volt power supply, and you just need to have something to indicate you that your IGBT is a work or no one, so you can see. So you just need to have a power supply and a LED or something, but that you will know your IGBT is not work or no work. So that's very simple. And using multimeter, I have another video and you can check it out on my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.